So here we are, Monday afternoon. It is 34, supposed to get up to 44. I don't think that's going to happen. And rain. Yesterday was 22 for a low with snow. And here we are, feeding the animals in the rain. They're having fun. I guess the ducks are anyway in the rain. That's good. Promises to be an absolute muddy mess by tomorrow. It's supposed to be in the 40s. It's supposed to continue to rain. Let's see if we got any eggs. No eggs today. But a coop that needs to be cleaned, and it's basically a downpour right now. So gonna get the animals fed, let them play out here for a little bit, and probably go from there. What you doing, buddy? So, what a Monday. I did manage to start to snowblow just to get stuff around the greenhouse moved, and that's about as far as I got. It was so wet and so heavy, it just wasn't worth it. We're trying to keep the greenhouse from flooding because it has a tendency. There's a couple of low spots on the east side here, but I think so far we're good. Check that out, check on the rabbits. Everybody's good. So this spot over here, you can see the area, a little bit of water coming in there, but shouldn't be too bad. I think this will be a little bit of a mess for a few days and then hopefully dry out. But anyway, gonna feed the rabbits, check on some stuff. The leeks are still doing well. It hasn't actually been cold enough to kill any of this off, so I'm gonna just let them go for the season, I think. And I've got some thyme back here that is overwintered, I guess. So never went dormant, looking good. So what you doing, Mama? You hungry? So anyway, that's what we're doing on a cold, wet March Monday. See you in the next one.